Okay, here we are. Welcome. We haven't made one of these in a long time, have we? Been a couple of weeks at least, right? Okay, this is my 7th grade. Excellent. Now we are going. Let's get on tape some things that you have to know. Your video is due when? The 22nd. That's when? What day is the 22nd? Wednesday, next Wednesday. Can we have a check on that? What day of the week the 22nd is?
Wednesday.
Is it Wednesday? Yeah. So we have class Monday and Wednesday, so it'll be Wednesday it's due. Clear? Wednesday, the 22nd of January is the video due on your scientist. Clear? All right. How many people have not started that yet? Raise your hand. Okay, we have about, I'd say more than half the class has started it at least. Is that correct? Okay. Excellent. Now, we're going to have, when's the chemistry test? The 3rd. And I could put that off a day or two. That's not a problem with me, right? And they've been working on outlining. What do you have? What are the 3 assignments you have for the chemistry test? Yes. Outline the chapters. What chapters? 2, 4, 5, 6, right? Then do the, what? The chapter reviews, and then the 3rd thing is?
Vocabulary.
The vocabulary. Okay, good. Now, and what do you do last? Or how do you do, what order do you do those 3 assignments? What's best? Come on in, guys. Okay? You have them printed out, just put them on my desk with your name. Okay? Where is Iman? She's still down there? Okay, good. So, in what order do you do the 3 assignments? Yes?
2, 4, 5, 6.
No, I know the chapters, yes. 2, 4, 5, 6. That would be good to do them in numerical order. Excellent. However, the assignments, the 3 assignments that you have to do, in what order would you do those? What's the best order? What do you do first? Yes?
Start with 2.
Yes, you start with 2. We went over that. You start with 2. Excellent. But the 3 assignments that are due, what are the 3 assignments that are due, and in what order would you do them? Yes?
The outline.
The outline. Excellent. Then what?
Review.
The review, and then the last thing you would do is the vocabulary. Why don't I want you to do the vocabulary first?
Because we need to understand them.
Yeah, I don't want you memorizing the vocabulary. I want you to, see, thinking doesn't take place in a vacuum. Dr. Kahn, biochemistry teacher, many years ago, said that learning doesn't take place in a vacuum. If you don't know anything, you can't think about it. So before you do the vocabulary review, you want to at least have read the chapter and then practiced it a little bit to get a little bit better feeling for the words. And if you do that, the vocabulary will be very easy. All right, so chapter 2 they're outlining, and they seem to not have a problem with chapter 2. Do I have chapter 2 here? I don't have chapter 2 here. What's chapter 2 on? Throw out some words for chapter 2. Chapter 2.
Matter.
Chapter 2. Matter.
Volume.
Volume.
Solid.
Solid.
Liquid.
Mass.
Intensity.
Density.
Extensive matter.
Extensive.
Properties.
Very good. Extensive properties. Remember we went over that extensive properties? And intensive, right? What else? Anything else?
Liquid.
Liquid? So let's put that next to here. Liquid,
And gas.
gas. What else?
Vapor.
Vapor, that's a good word. What's vapor? Define for me vapor in 1 sentence or less.
Water.
The gaseous form of water. Yeah, very good. Excellent. What else? Yes.
Steam.
Steam. What's steam? What's steam? It's really hot water vapor, right? Yeah? What else? I just kind of glossed over that. I want you to write down a question. Can you write this down? What burns more? Liquid water at 100 degrees Celsius or steam at 100 degrees Celsius? What gives you a worse burn? Water at 100 degrees Celsius, liquid H2O, or gaseous H2O, steam, at 100 degrees Celsius? I don't want you to answer me. I want you to go home and research that. Clear? All right, what else? What else did you see? So we said, what did we say? Steam? Anything else? How are we doing? Steam? Yeah? What else? What's the last section in chapter 2 on? The last section. They're thinking. I like that. They're very tired, though. It's only like 9 o'clock in the morning, and they've already been in class for an hour and a half. And it's the last day of the week. Yes?
Physical changes.
Physical changes, good. What's the difference between intensive physical properties and extensive physical properties? Nora?
Extensive property is a property that depends on the amount of matter in the sample.
Extensive. That's correct. Extensive physical properties are essentially based on the amount of matter that is in the sample, such as what? Give me some examples of extensive physical properties. What are the three big ones? Yes? Pretend you're at Yankee Stadium. Solid, liquid, or gas. Okay, I guess, yeah. All right, maybe. Not sure that's extensive. Is that what it says in the book? I'm not sure that would be extensive, because that could actually be specific to a substance. For instance, sodium is a solid at room temperature. Magnesium is a solid at room temperature. Hydrogen is not a solid at room temperature. So that could vary based on the type of substance, so I'm not quite sure phase is significant. Yes?
Mass.
Mass, yeah, the amount of substance would be mass. That would be the biggie. Length, volume, right? If I have two things with the same volume, are they the same? Could be, or they might not be. Same mass, same volume, same length, right? Are they the same? Yeah, they could be, or they might be different. So extensive physical properties do not tell you anything about the specific matter. What's a specific piece of matter? What's that called? A what? The specific identity of matter. What would that be called?
Substance.
That is, God bless Ethiopia. I mean, 2 points for the Ethiopian team. Excellent. That's right. Would be substance. Substance. Very big word, substance. What are the two types of substances that we know of? First of all, substance is a very specific way of saying matter. Matter is just very general. It's either matter or energy, correct? What is substance? Substance, what are the two types of substances that there are? There's only two. One starts with an E. No, Vivian, it's not elephant. Yes?
Extensive.
No. Those are types of physical properties. Yes?
Element
Element
and compound.
and compound, yes. That's Laura. Very good. Excellent, Laura, excellent. Element, compound. Right? What's a word, what's a very important descriptive word for the word substance? It's a very important descriptive word for the word substance. Very important descriptive word for the word substance. A very important descriptive word for the word substance. Yes? No. She said physical properties. No. Could be intensive physical properties, or about what? What are extensive physical properties for? For identifying a particular substance, for instance, density, right? Boiling point, melting point, things that you have no idea. I'll say things like linear expansion coefficient. No, not that. Yes, that. Specific heat capacity, refractive index. Can you imagine? Don't they sound awful? Can you imagine, Vivian, if I said on Monday we're going to start working on refractive indexes of substances? What would you say after you fell out of the chair? You'd say, oh my God, right? No, not that! What was the question? What's the question? What's the word, man? The word. It's, a substance is pure. Pure. Pure matter is actually a substance. Are you all right with that? Yes? Now, I suggest getting together in small groups and talking about this material, right? We're going to do all of this. But again, when I give you the test and I grade it, it will be graded fairly. Clear? Have a great weekend and don't do anything that I would do. Okay?
Sure.
See you on Sunday.